vegetarian is easy and delicious. Do you all like to eat curry? I personally love it. Spicy curry is so delicious with rice.
Malaysian friends must be very familiar with curry. Southeast Asia is full of delicious curry styles. For example, Thai green curry, Indian butter chicken, and Malaysian curry lax. Each one is incredibly flavorful.
Which one is your favorite?
Let's make vegetarian fish curry today. This dish is appetizing and pairs perfectly with rice. Remember to save the recipe. Ingredients: vegan fish, potatoes, tomato, curry paste. Peel and cubes potatoes. Roasting the potatoes before adding them to the curry makes them extra flavorful, crispy outside, tender inside. The caramelized edges soak up the curry sauce, creating a richer, deeper taste in every bite. This small step takes your curry from good to unforgettable.
What's the best way to cut potatoes for curry?
Cut into chunky wedges. They cook evenly without turning mushy. Angled pieces hold the curry sauce perfectly for maximum flavor in every bite. Remember not to dice too small, or they'll dissolve into the curry. Once the potatoes are cut, they're ready to go straight into the oven to roast. Feel free to adjust the oven temperature and roasting time based on your own oven. Personally, I roast the potatoes for 10 minutes first. Give them a good stir. Then roast for another 10 minutes just until the potato chunks turn golden brown. And that smoky fragrance, let the golden potatoes rest off to the side for now. Now that our mock fish is defrosted, cut it into thick slices for the best texture. Cut into 1 centimeter thick slices so they hold their shape in the curry without breaking apart. Air fry the mock fish first for better flavor absorption, crispy outside to lock in curry sauce. High temperature air frying creates porous texture, doubling curry infusion speed. Try this hack for juicy mock fish that bursts with curry flavor. 160 degrees for approximately 10 minutes. Cut tomatoes into small pieces. Tomatoes add a tangy sweet kick that elevates the curry's aroma. The fruit's natural acidity tenderizes the mock fish perfectly. Simmered tomatoes melt into a luscious, clingy curry base. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and lycopene, great for antioxidants and glowing skin. Let's start cooking. Toss in those slightly wilted curry leaves to fry them with the tomatoes to revive their aroma. Sauteing tomatoes first deepens their sweetness and aroma, creating a richer curry base. Science hack: heat breaks cell walls for extra lycopene. Curry leaves add a distinct aroma while packing antioxidants and digestionating nutrients. Their rich iron and vitamin content gets boosted absorption with curry's oils. Now stir-fry the curry chili paste until fragrant. This special paste was bought by my mom from her friend, and it's incredibly flavorful with a serious kick. Stir-fry the curry chili paste on low heat until red oil separates. This intensifies the aroma. Keep the heat gentle to prevent burning. When the paste glistens with crimson oil, that's peak flavor time. Pro tip: medium heat plus circular stirring with a wooden spatula prevents sticking and unlocks even flavor. Add water until it's 1 centimeter above the ingredients. This gives the perfect curry consistency. For more sauce, add an extra 1/2 cup water. For thickness, use less. Add potatoes cubes. Simmer pre-roasted potatoes for just 8 to 10 minutes. Skin stays slightly crisp while soaking up flavors. Let the curry rest off the heat for 5 minutes. After cooking, this lets the potatoes absorb maximum flavor without turning mushy. Seasoning salt to taste. Add vegan fish. Simmer air-fried mockfish just 3 to 5 minutes. Stays crispy outside while absorbing sauce without falling apart. Science hack: air frying creates porous texture for rapid flavor absorption. Overcooking kills the crispness. This mockfish curry's fragrance is wrapping around every corner of the room, turning empty stomachs into roaring lions. Scoop the fragrant potatoes and rich curry sauce onto the plate first. Then artfully layer the golden brown mockfish over the glistening sauce. A feast for both the eyes and the palate. This vegetarian fish curry is incredibly delicious. The rich sauce permeates every bite of mockfish. So good we wouldn't trade it for real meat. The crispy on outside, tender inside texture with our signature curry makes it irresistibly addictive. Even hardcore meat lovers gave it thumbs up after tasting. Made from soy mushroom protein, it's low-fat, high-protein, and cholesterol-free, ideal for those with cardiovascular concerns. Vegan fish packed with plant-based omega-3 ILA and calcium. When paired with curry's turmeric, nutrient absorption boosts 50%. Vegan fish fortified with seaweed extract to provide iodine and B12, often lacking in vegan diets. Fermentation process enhances digestibility, perfect for sensitive stomachs. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.